Hi friends, today we are showing you the installation and configuration process of our DNN module send bulk email to users. Before start the installation and configuration process, I will explain what is the features of our module. DNN send bulk email to user module allow to send bulk email to users. User can also able to select the user to whom user want to send email. User can able to write from email address, subject and email message body. It is easy to install and configure DNN modules. Now we are start the installation process. First, download and copy the module zip file into your local computer. Login in your website host panel and select setting and select extension. Now I have shown in here I have login with host user super user. Now open the extension, install extension. Here drag and drop or upload the zip files. Here I have a zip file, just drag and drop. Then just click on next, click on next, click on next, accept license term, next, done. Now module is installed in your DNN site. Then create one page for add the module. I will create one page. Pages, add page, name, send bulk email and add page. Page is created. Now just add the module, search for module, just click on it, and add it. I add it on main pane. Here is the module. Now you can select the users. It will show all the all the active user available in your DNN site. Just you need to just select the user. I will show you one. Add one users, add user, first name test, email address is required, test, the rate encodetechnologies.com and just save it. Last name test, last name, username I will add the same as the username, password 1 2 3 4. Username is invalid. User created successfully. Name test username is test2323. Now just reload the page, then user will be here. Test last username. Now you can here add the from where you want to send the email. From at and code com subject message. You can select to whom, and here in message body if you enter the first name, hello first name, then it will send the email for super user hello super user, for test user hello test. It will replace the username as a first name for first name, last name for last